That's it, I had to get my rhythm here.
I can't stop my leg.
Thank you very much. If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? Come on, y'all, let's kick. I must be traveling on now. Wait, solo. Cause there's places I've got to see.
I'll let it work.
Another solo here. If I stay here with you now, things just wouldn't be the same. Cause I'm as free as a bird now. And this bird you cannot change. Okay, here we go. Wait, I'm getting out of the rhythm here. I'm rhythm over here a little bit more. Alright, hold right there. Alright, I'm loosening some waves out there now. I'm as free as a bird now. And this bird you cannot change. I ain't hear no birds. And this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I cannot, you cannot change. This bird you cannot change.
Yo, Neil, let's kick it.
Alright, stop, collaborate and listen. Safety meeting in the break room swiftly. Carlene grabs a hold of me tightly, hand ends back, cramping up nightly.
Will it ever stop?
Yo, I don't know, my vegetables miracle grow. To the extreme, I rig my cart like a vandal, lighting up hogs like Roman candles.
Grass.
Hanging in my room, trying to get someone to use the broom.
Jeremy.
Can't hold a melody of singing, yo. It sounds like a felony. David and Brad, you better gain weight, or I'll show you how to write like back in the day. If there was a problem, yo, I'd solve it. Check out the hook while Kaylin revolves it.
Ice, ice, Ronnie.
Codes.
Ice, ice, Ronnie.
Codes.
Ice, ice, Ronnie.
Codes.
Ice, ice, Ronnie.
Codes. Now that the month is jumping, with the brakes kicked in and the batteries are pumping, quick to the drive, no faking. Multi-points cooking like a pound of bacon, firing them if they ain't quick and nimble. I go crazy when I lose potential hours, and an upper flush flowing, getting swollen, always in a rush.
Rolling.
In a 5.0 with the rack top down so my hair can blow. Porter's on standby, waiting just to ask why. Did he stop?
No, he flew by.
Kept on, pursuing to the body shop, feels on the floor, so I tell Greg, grab a mop. Mop was wet, yo, so I continue to A1A Portrait Studio. Cameras hot and needs new batteries, lots of pictures, yo, you wanna see? Jealous, cause I'm out getting mine. Rissa with a rake and Ronnie with some twine. Ready for the cold of fall, covering the plants before we head to the mall. If there was a problem, yo, I'd solve it. Check out the hook while Kaylin revolves it.
Ice, ice, Ronnie.
Codes.
Ice, ice, Ronnie.
Codes.
Ice, ice, Ronnie.
Codes.
Ice, ice, Ronnie.
Codes.